Ever wondered how you can make money without constantly working for it? Imagine having a steady stream of income that flows in even when you're taking a break. Sounds intriguing, right? Today, we're diving into the world of passive income and showing you how to get started. Stick around, because what you learn today could be your first step towards financial freedom. In this video, we'll break down the steps to start making passive income, explore different passive income streams, and share a powerful strategy that can accelerate your journey. You won't want to miss this. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand how to start making passive income, but also have actionable steps to implement immediately. Whether you're new to this concept or looking to enhance your current strategy, these insights will pave the way for your financial success. Passive income 101. Let's kick things off by understanding what passive income really means. Passive income is money you earn with little to no ongoing effort. Unlike active income, where you trade time for money, passive income allows you to earn continuously from an initial investment of time, money, or both. The benefit of passive income is that it gives you financial freedom and flexibility. You can focus on what matters most to you, whether that's spending time with family, pursuing hobbies, or even traveling. Think of passive income as planting seeds. You invest time and resources initially, but once those seeds start growing, they continue to bear fruit without constant care. Examples include rental income from properties, dividends from stocks, royalties from books or music, and earnings from online courses. But how do you choose the right passive income stream for you? Let's dive into the different options available and find out. Your passive niche. Ready to explore your options for creating passive income? There are several types of passive income streams you can choose from, depending on your interests and resources. These include real estate investments, dividend-paying stocks, creating digital products, and more. Choosing the right stream is crucial because it aligns with your skills, interests, and available resources, ensuring you stay motivated and committed. Let's take a closer look at a few options. Real estate is a popular choice. It involves purchasing properties to rent out. This requires an upfront investment and some management, but property management services can make this almost entirely passive. Dividend-paying stocks offer another route, where you invest in companies that pay you a portion of their profits regularly. Digital products, such as ebooks or online courses, are perfect for those with creative skills and can generate income long after the initial work is done. Each option has its pros and cons, so it's important to choose one that fits your lifestyle and financial goals. But here's the big question. How do you get started with your chosen passive income stream? I'd love to hear from you. What's the one thing that's holding you back from starting your passive income journey? Is it the initial investment, the time commitment, or something else? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and let's see if we can tackle these challenges together. Now, let's find out the strategy that can give you a head start. Income stream balance. Let's unlock the steps to get you started on your passive income journey. First, do your research. Understand the ins and outs of the passive income stream you've chosen. Next, create a plan. Outline the steps you need to take, set realistic goals, and track your progress. Finally, start small and scale up as you gain experience and confidence. Starting small allows you to learn and make adjustments without significant risk. As you become more comfortable, you can invest more time and resources to grow your income streams. For example, if you're interested in rental properties, start by learning about the real estate market, finding a suitable property, and understanding the costs involved. Create a budget and a timeline, then take the plunge with a small property. As you gain experience, you can acquire more properties and increase your rental income. Similarly, if you're into creating digital products, start by researching your target audience, creating high quality content, and marketing it effectively. Begin with one product, see how it performs, and use that experience to improve future products. Another powerful strategy is to leverage your active income to create passive income streams. Think of it as using your current earnings to build a future income source that works for you. For instance, you could allocate a portion of your salary to invest in dividend-paying stocks or mutual funds. These investments provide regular payouts without requiring you to sell the underlying assets, creating a steady income stream. Imagine setting aside part of your monthly earnings to invest in a diversified portfolio of stocks. Over time, the dividends from these investments start to add up, providing you with consistent income. As you reinvest these dividends, your portfolio grows, leading to even higher payouts. Alternatively, consider starting a small online business. Use your active income to fund the creation of digital products, such as ebooks or online courses. Once set up, these can generate passive income as customers purchase your products over time. By strategically using your active income to build multiple passive income streams, you can create a robust financial ecosystem. Diversifying your investments and reinvesting the earnings will support your long-term financial freedom, allowing you to enjoy more flexibility and security. This strategic approach ensures that you have multiple sources of income working for you, reducing risk and enhancing stability. By now, you should have a clear understanding of the differences between active and passive income and how balancing them can lead to financial freedom. Remember, the key is to start early and stay consistent. Begin by securing your active income, then progressively build your passive income streams. The sooner you start, the quicker you'll see the benefits. Think of it like planting a tree. The earlier you plant it, the sooner it will grow and bear fruit. Consistency is crucial. Even small, regular investments can compound significantly over time. By making this a habit, you set the foundation for a financially secure future. Imagine the day when your passive income exceeds your living expenses. You'll have the freedom to make choices based on your desires, not financial constraints. Whether it's traveling the world, starting a passion project, or simply enjoying more time with loved ones, the possibilities are endless. Picture waking up each day knowing that your financial needs are met without the stress of a demanding job. You could decide to spend a month exploring a new country, take up a new hobby, or volunteer for a cause you're passionate about. Financial freedom opens up a world of opportunities, allowing you to live life on your own terms. So, what are you waiting for? Start your journey towards financial freedom today. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more tips, and let me know in the comments which passive income stream you're most excited to try. Remember, achieving financial independence begins with understanding and action. Take that first step today, and your future self will thank you.